This is Enugu, the coal city-state, Nigerian famous lifestyle city and home to the famous Ogene music. And this is Owerri, the eastern heartland, Vegas of Nigeria and home to the famous bongo music. Enugu and Owerri are two prominent cities in Nigeria, each possessing unique characteristics that contribute to their distinct identities. As urban hubs within the southeastern region of Nigeria, both cities play a crucial role in the economic, cultural, and social fabrics of the country. In this video, I'll be exploring the similarities and differences between the city of Enugu and Owerri as the two oldest state capitals in the southeastern region of Nigeria. Enugu and Owerri are relatively close geographically, both situated in the southeastern part of Nigeria. This proximity has historical implications as both cities share cultural influences and have been shaped by similar regional dynamics. Enugu and Owerri are predominantly inhabited by the Igbo people, one of Nigeria's major ethnic groups. This shared cultural heritage is evident in their tradition, language, and custom, fostering a sense of unity and familiarity between residents of both cities. What is today known as the city of Enugu began as a coal mine in 1915.
Ever since then, Enugu have served as the capital of eastern region of Nigeria, capital of East Central State, capital of the defunct Republic of Biafra, capital of old Anambra State, and currently the capital of Enugu State. While Owerri, on the other hand, have served as the capital of old Imo State, capital of the defunct Republic of Biafra, and currently the capital of Imo State. Both the city of Enugu and Owerri are home to some of the most popular higher institutions in southeastern region of Nigeria, like the University of Nigeria Enugu Campus, Institute of Management and Technology Enugu, Enugu State College of Education Technical, Coal City University Enugu, Godfrey Okoye University, Caritas University, among others. While Owerri, on the other hand, is home to Imo State University Owerri, Federal Polytechnic Nekede, Federal University of Technology Owerri, and Avan Ikoko University of Education Owerri. Both Enugu and Owerri has a vibrant nightlife activities, but compared to Enugu, Owerri has one of the best and most vibrant nightlife activities in Nigeria. It is like a city that never sleeps.
As Igbo cities, both Enugu and Owerri share similar dishes and delicacies. While Enugu is most famous for Opa and Abacha, Owerri, on the other hand, is most famous for Ofe Owerri, one of Igbo's most popular and expensive soups.
Owerri prides itself as the entertainment capital of Nigeria due to its high density of hotels, bars, lounges, and nightclubs, while Enugu, on the other hand, over the years has become a tourism haven, one of the top destinations in Nigeria, second to none in the southeast. When it comes to serenity and greenery, Enugu and Owerri are one of the most serene and green cities in Nigeria. Both cities are well planned with good residential layouts and suburbs, making them a perfect city to live and raise a family. Ever visited or lived in any of these cities before? How was your visit? And what do you love most about the cities? But if you have not, what are you waiting for? The city of Enugu and Owerri awaits you. While you are here, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video.